Listen up, tech fam. If you're looking for the absolute best camera phone, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is your jam. Not only does it crush the competition in the iPhone world, but it's also set to dethrone all other smartphones in the camera game. And if you're a mobile gamer, this is a no-brainer. The Pro Max's buttery smooth display and AAA title-crushing power will blow you away. Plus, it's water-resistant like a champ, so you can game on even if you spill your drink. Whoops. So if you're a content creator, a photography enthusiast, or just someone who demands the best, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is your ultimate weapon. Trust me, you won't regret it.